Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG countertop ice maker and the EasyERA Nugget ice maker. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your kitchen or outdoor adventures. Let's dive into the world of ice makers. The SMUG countertop ice maker produces classic bullet ice, which is great for general use but tends to melt faster. In contrast, the EasyERA Nugget ice maker specializes in producing soft, chewable nugget ice, favored for cocktails and soft drinks due to its slower melting properties. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your beverage experience. When it comes to daily production, the SMUG countertop ice maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it suitable for small gatherings. On the other hand, the EasyERA Nugget ice maker boasts a higher capacity of 33 pounds per day, perfect for larger parties or frequent use. This higher output can be a deciding factor for those who entertain often. The SMUG countertop ice maker is designed with portability in mind, featuring a lightweight design and a convenient handle, making it easy to transport for camping or parties. In contrast, the EasyERA Nugget ice maker, while still compact, is heavier and bulkier, making it more suitable for stationary use in your kitchen or RV. In conclusion, the choice between the SMUG countertop ice maker and the EasyERA Nugget ice maker boils down to your specific needs. If you prioritize affordability and portability, the SMUG is an excellent choice. However, if you desire premium nugget ice and higher production capacity, the EasyERA is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.